Excuse me, Luna. No! Just say whatever you need. Please talk to me. Please talk to me, Luna. Just say something. Excuse me.
Ow,
Excuse me, Luna.
She's scratching me. She's scratching.
Excuse me, Luna. Carlos, how do you feel right now?
Pain.
How do you feel, Luna? She's ignoring me. She's a really bad star. Talk to me. You know what? We'll talk to Blue. Talking. See, she starts talking and stops.
Harry.
No. Tell me something.
Damn it, Luna. I'm hairy now.
You got anything to say, Upan? Do you like your new toys? You're very quiet.